Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Sri Wahyuni Ayu. You can call me Sri or Ayu. I am from Bilingual Class 211. Today I will discuss the challenge of remote learning. This topic is very relevant considering the many changes that have occurred in the field of education during the COVID-19 pandemic. Let's begin by looking at the current situation. Current situation. Remote learning has increased by 90% globally due to the pandemic, according to UNESCO in 2021. However, there are still 1.3 billion students worldwide who lack access to the internet or necessary device for remote learning, based on UNICEF data from 2020. For example, many students in rural areas are unable to participate in online classes due to poor internet connectivity. Additionally, a survey by Education Week in 2021 found that 40 of teachers reported that students struggle with engagement and participation in remote learning. Next, challenge. Moving on the main challenge, the digital divide is a significant obstacle. Students from low-income families and those in rural areas are disproportionately affected by the lack of access to technology and internet services. Maintaining student engagement in a virtual environment is another major challenge. Unlike in traditional classroom where face-to-face interaction help keep student motivation, online learning environment can make it difficult for students to stay focused and interested. The lack of social interaction is also problematic. Social learning, which involves peer discussion and group work, is crucial for cognitive and emotional development. The absence of this interaction can hinder the development of essential social skills. Moreover, many teachers were not adequately trained for online teaching, which added to their stress and workload. The sudden shift to remote learning required teachers to quickly develop new skills, often without adequate support or resources. The impact of these challenges are profound. Students are experiencing learning losses and decreased academic performance due to difficulties in accessing online resources and staying engaged. Teachers face increased stress and workload as they adapt to new teaching methods and manage virtual classroom. The education system as a whole is trained as it tries to innovate and find solutions rapidly. often without the necessary infrastructure support. Next, solution. To address this challenge, several solutions can be implemented. Improving access to technology is crucial. This can be achieved through partnership between the government and private sector to provide devices and internet access to underprivileged students. For instance, subsidies for internet services and distribution of affordable technological devices can help bridge the digital divide. Professional development programs focus on digital teaching skills are essential for better preparing educators for online interaction. These programs should cover the effective use of digital tools, creating engine online content, and managing virtual classroom. Utilizing engaging online platforms and tools can also enhance student interaction and participation. Tools like interactive with whiteboard, game-free learning platform, and collaborative software can make online learning more dynamic and interactive. Implementation support system for students and teachers to address stress and isolation is equally important. Online counseling services, mental health workshops, and virtual support group can provide much needed emotional support. Examples for successful implementation include the one laptop per child program, which provided low cost laptops to children in developing countries, and a Dutch initiative like Khan Academic and Coursera, which offer high quality educational content to supplement traditional learning. And then, conclusion. In conclusion, remote learning has exposed significant disparities in access to education. The major challenges include the digital divide, engagement issue, and lack of social interaction. To overcome these obstacles, we must focus in improving access to technology, providing better teacher training, and implementation interactive tools. Educational stakeholders, including government, private sectors, educators, and communities, must collaborate to bridge the digital divide and develop robust remote learning strategies. By doing so, we can ensure equitable access to quality education for all students, regardless of their socio-economic status or geography location. Let's break this down further. First, the digital divide many students, especially in remote or underserved areas, lack access to necessary technology such as computers and reliable internet connection. Addressing this issue requires significant investment in infrastructure and ensuring affordable internet access for all. Government and private sector can play a crucial role here by investing in technological infrastructure and providing subsidies or grants to families in need. Second, engagement issue. Remote learning often struggles to keep students engaged compared to traditional classroom settings. This is where innovative and interactive teaching tools come to play. By incorporating multimedia resources, virtual labs, and gamification technology, we can make learning more engaging and effective. Teacher training is also essential in this regard. Educators must be equipped with the skills and tools to facilitate and interactive online lessons. Third, the lack of social interaction. Social interaction are a critical part of the educational experience, contribution to the social and emotional development of students. While remote learning entirely limits face-to-face interaction, we can mitigate this by engaging virtual group work, discussion, and extracurricular activities. Creating online communities where students can interact and collaborate is vital for their overall development. In summary, addressing this challenge requires a motivated approach, improving access to technology, enhancing teacher training, and implementing interactive tools are key steps. However, the most crucial factor is collaboration. Government, private sector, educators, and communities must work together to bridge the digital divide and develop effective remote learning strategies. By doing so, we can ensure that every student, regardless of their socio-economic status or geography location, has access to quality education. Thank you for your attention, and I look forward to any question or discussion on this critical issue. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.